Good morning, cyber traders, and welcome back on the Thursday, 9 a.m. in the morning, 30 minutes till the market opens up. And hope everyone's all excited. I am because it is day two of the Cyber Expo. Good to see you all, Fraz, Rich, Lita, Nabel, everyone. Welcome back. Getting a couple of nice little runners this morning. We had a couple of earnings that came out yesterday. I want to talk about Oracle, and there's some pretty big ones that are coming out at the close of today. So we're going to check those out and get to prepared for it. But I don't know if anyone got into this BTTC. I got awfully late. I got in at 9:02. I only did a half a lot. I was all the way down over here when it finally started making a move. So I got in very, very late. I know some of you got in a little bit earlier than I did. 8:30 was really the good number. I know some of you got in right around 6:40 on it. You're probably killing it right now. But yeah, BTTC is just looking fabulous. You know, some of you remember this stock. We traded this back in October. This stock went from $5 to $39 in one day. So if you're in it, congratulations. I know you guys are doing great, and so on. I did hold a couple of swing trades. The NXTR from yesterday has been doing great also. You can see here on the long-term chart, this thing has just been an absolute nice little animal right here. It closed very strong. And also Posh, Pan American Silver. A very small lot. I just did 100 shares on it, but because I was chasing it. But silver has just been on an animal. Silver has been great. It's another stock that's going on our watch list right there. Look at that, 46 all the way to 56. I did that on a swing trade also on my other account. A big fan. Once it broke all-time highs right here, which is right around this 48, you could see how these things just break out like crazy. We love stocks here at Cyber Trading University that do all-time highs. And we'll talk a little bit more about that too. But before we do that, let's talk about regarding about today. Remember, today is the Cyber Expo. It is day two. We got a lot of great speakers. Let's post up, Rich. I don't know if you have the image there of the speakers. Actually, I do got a PowerPoint on it. Yep, here they are right there. So these are all the speakers that we're going to have. A lot of great speakers. Josh is going to be on. We got Mike, we got Sebastian, we got a bunch of people here. So we are going to be starting at 10 a.m. Please be registered for it, and we'll see you there. So we got that coming up, like I said, within the next hour. Now let's talk about some of the stocks that we traded yesterday that did pretty well. So we did IRBT, and iRobot has just been an absolute game changer, but it is at big resistance levels here. If we could break out of this $6 price range on iRobot, this stock could go all the way up and start breaking a new high of probably even the $8 price range. So iRobot, IRBT, has not only been a great day trade, it's been an absolutely wonderful swing trade. So that's going back on the watch list. We had the stock Beat that also did pretty well. The stock got really destroyed. You can see here down here at the bottom, it got crushed. It went from $1.70 all the way down to 50 cents, came right back up. But is it going in today's list? No, it's not going to go back, but that was a good one. Warner Brothers has been absolutely, hands down, a great trade. It's almost a guarantee it's not going down, okay, because the buyout is happening. Now, did all of you guys get to watch my video that I posted? I had it on YouTube. Let me get that link for you. Let me get that link for you. Let me go on our YouTube channel, and right here, let me bring it up. Hopefully everyone is a subscriber. And remember, it is on also TikTok, Instagram, and also X. So here on the shorts right here, it's right here. This one right there is the one I just posted. So if you guys can get a chance, here's the link for that. I did a pretty good video, pretty detailed on it. I told you I was going to make one on it. There's the link on that YouTube. And if you're on social media, I guess you're on the other channel. Just make sure you guys get a chance to watch it and like it. Hit the like button, and also kind of leave a comment. Leave a comment and share. All right. So I did that video. That was a really, really good stock yesterday. Move back over here, and here's that link for some of you on YouTube or Instagram, whoever's watching on social media. Go out there and watch it. But I actually bought a little bit more of it. What was nice about this stock right here, I want to show you on level 4. Here was the big thing on there. On that video, you'll see this, but $30 hostile bid that was bidded out there right now. You could see this right there, but that was about 800,000 yesterday or 700,000 yesterday. 30. If you get a hostile takeover, listen, this thing can go to 33. That's where I'm seeing the next biggest order out there. So Warner Brothers is back on the watch list again. WBD. All right. Nice little stock right there, Warner Brothers. Had that made some nice moves yesterday. We had a couple other ones too. A couple of more here I want to hit up before we go through the watch list. We had the RKLB, right? That one right there. That one was also Rocket Labs, 53 to 58. That was pretty cool. A little expensive though. BMNR. That was also a great runner in the app that later in the day. That ran at 1 o'clock, was right around 39, ran to 42. Nice little push. SIDU is also a really good one. Midday runner, ran for about 80 cents to $1.20. ASTS, you all remember that one. Big runner up. That stock has been on a really good swing trade also. Went all the way down to the $50 price range, all the way up to 78. That one's doing pretty well. WRBY. That one is pushing just nonstop. This thing has been moving up really nicely. Ugly spread, though. Ugly spread. I'll be careful of that. DBI, another nice little early morning runner. That thing has been also a good day trade. Listen, it was started right around $4, went to $5, gapped up to $6. You could see it right here. Beautiful run up. And then sure enough, 2 days in a row, boom, boom, boom. That's why we always like to check the stocks we traded the day before, because they can spill into a day like today. And then the shorts, we did have some shorts that you guys did trade. UEC was a nice little short yesterday, and Netflix, NFLX. Why is Netflix probably getting so beat up? Because they're going to have to dish out a lot of money if they're going to want to step in the ring to buy out Warner Brothers. Okay. So remember, they're already at like 80 billion. All right. And Netflix is also giving some profit share. I would be probably be a buyer on Netflix if we can get all the way down here, right around the 82. So a lot of support levels right there, but I want to see some consolidation. But I'm putting Netflix back on the watch list. NFLX. All right. And here is Paramount, the company, which is kind of weird. It really hasn't gone down that much. And if you watch the video that I posted, who's behind this whole thing, right? The whole thing. It's the CEO's son of Oracle, and which leads me to bring into what's happened with Oracle. Oracle came out earnings yesterday. So Oracle got really, really beat up yesterday. The earnings announcements came out, and obviously you could see they probably were not expected, but the stock is taking a very, very big hit right here. And if you look here in the long term, we have some support levels. Looks like it's gap fill right here. This stock was all the way up to about 325. My God, this thing took a really big hit. It had a great run. I mean, this thing ran from 125 to 350 in that short period of time. And now it's coming back down a little bit. Oracle, there are ETFs out there too. There's a lot of ETFs. You can see them on the losers list right now. You got ORCX, which is within the price range. You got ORCU, which is within the price range. These are all brand new ETFs. So Oracle on the watch list. And then I'm not going to put all the ETFs out there. That's your job. That's what we teach you what to do. All right. So I got that one up there. Yes, we're going to check out silver again. Silver is making a really nice push. So, everything looks pretty good. And that means Pasha's probably going to continue to go up. But silver, yes, silver is on our watch list. And what else do we have on our list? There wasn't that much more I didn't really like that's out there. Pets out there. This one looks pretty interesting. Cheap stock, good volume. PETS. That one's not bad. What else that we have right here? MIGI. Very volatile. Went all the way to 11, came back down. The stock got hammered from 40. It's been making a nice little move the last couple of days. MIGI. Didn't move up that much yesterday, but it's definitely moving up this morning. So that one could make the watch list right there. ACIU, not interested. There's oracles. Those are inverts of the shorts. Okay. And losers, this thing got destroyed this morning. I got this one on the watch list. Any orders out there on this one? Yeah, there's orders starting to show up right now, right around $1. My God, talking about $11 stock. That is just bad luck. I would hate to hold that stock overnight. BBGI, we know why that's down after that big run up yesterday. It's on the way down. New York Stock Exchange, this stock was up a lot, but PL, Planet Labs, we traded this stock before in the past. And there is a pretty big iceberg order I'm seeing right now at 16 on Planet Labs on PL. Right now it's for like 26,000. So that's probably right around there. You can see how it's having a tough time breaking 26. This is the guy we're talking about. Right there. There he is right there. Okay. And what else here? Next door is moving up pretty nicely too this morning. There's a pretty big iceberg order right now at 350 on next door. NXDR. Here's that big order right there. See it right there? 20,000. Now remember, this is going to probably jump by like 10 times. This is only pre-market. All right. We know that it's a lot of people don't even have their orders in right now. Chow got hammered. Another stock went down to $1. And this happened in the middle of the day. Good bounce from yesterday, though. Ran from 60 cents and went all the way about to $3. That was a hell of a bounce on the middle of the day. That was awesome. But now she's on the back on the way back down. I forgot to mention that one. That was really good. I know anyone here got a piece of it. That one's pretty much done, and that's it. All right, let's get ready for the market to open up, ladies and gentlemen. So remember, we have what else we got here? Oracle. Let me put this over here, the Oracle one. So remember, we have today earnings. Okay, so this is earnings right here. This is from yesterday, but this morning, nothing really. You have Costco, Lululemon, Broadcom, and Restoration Hardware at the close. And then today, don't forget, oops, move this over here. And then today, we have the Cyber Expo. So anyone here that is on social media, here's the QR code right there. It's on the top left-hand corner, or you could just click on that window right there. You can basically take your phone, scan that QR code, or visit our website. And we got this is our day 2. It's our biggest event and the end of the year of some of my favorite gurus and mentors of the industry. All right. All right, guys, let's get ready for the market to open up. I like Lynn and Randy says, Fausto, I like the price on the Tesla options. Well, he's really good. Price Headley is really good on that stuff. And we've been trading Tesla for a lot lately. So, but you know what? Like anything else, you want to be a good options trader, you got to be a good stock trader, and that's why we do that. I'll see you all in the Cyber Group room. I'll see you, and well, not me. You got Rich and Josh will run it. For everyone else, you'll see me. I'll be broadcasting live at 10 a.m. in the next hour on in the Traders Expo, Cyber Expo. All right, guys. Good luck, everyone. Trade safe. See you there.